hold on to your controllers because the pigs have officially flown. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Microsoft's iconic Halo franchise, which has always been the crown jewel of Xbox, is now making a jaw-dropping entry in the PlayStation with Halo Campaign Evolved, a full remake of the original Halo Combat Evolved. Yes, you heard that right. Sony fans will finally get a taste of the game that launched a legend. Halo's always been siding with Xbox since day one. The original game, released alongside the console on November 15, 2001, defied a generation of first-person shooters. For over 2 decades, the franchise remained firmly locked to Microsoft's platform, becoming a defining feature of Xbox identity. Even when the games were ported to PC in recent years, console exclusivity remained intact until now. The announcement was enough to make the gaming industry buzz, and for PlayStation owners, this is nothing short of a dream come true. To finally get to experience Master Chief's epic battle against the Covenant with reimagined modern graphics. And for Xbox loyalists, it's a bittersweet moment as Halo steps onto a rival console, which feels like the end of an era, a crack in the fortress of exclusivity that defined the brands for decades. So, mark your calendar for 2026, because Halo Campaign Evolved is coming to blend nostalgia with next-gen gameplay, giving both old fans and newcomers a chance to relive the legendary story in a whole new light. Are you a Halo fan? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.